Welcome everybody. All right, so let's take a look at how to download Xcode 9. Now, if you're watching this past September, you'll be able to go to the App Store here and simply download Xcode. But if you're watching this before September, and this is again before they actually release Xcode 9, right now Xcode 9 is in beta, so you have to download the beta. Now, in order to do that, you need to actually become a developer here. So it's $99, but if you want to download the beta, you have to do this. But you can wait till September, and September it should be available for you. So you do need to have a developer account if you want to download the beta. So make sure that you do have that there. Now, one of the things that I always get is, well, I mean, $99 seems like a complete waste of money. Well, believe it or not, if you just release a few apps, you'll probably make that $99 back. So, you know, one of the, actually, when I first got it, I had the same reservations about getting an Apple developer account, but it actually paid off for it, you know, several times over after releasing just a few apps. So that's something that you want to do too. So you just simply push download, and as you can see, if I push in downloads here, it will ask me for my developer account, and then you'll be able to download everything in there. Also, if you want to download the beta for your phone, you need that to you need to download both the beta for your phone and for Xcode 9, and if you want to use ARKit and deploy your apps to your phone.